come out about 15 minutes ago with the crop report. We've just been going through the numbers here. We'll give you what the numbers are for supply and demand and for production, and then we'll look at the reaction of the market. All right, my sound will be a little better now. All right, let's look and see. First, starting off with 2014-15 ending stocks, we've got the corn number at 1.876 billion bushels. The average guess was a little lower than that, 1.858. Soybean ending stocks for 14-15 were 330 million. The average guess was 342 million, so a little lower there. A little higher in corn, a little lower in soybeans. Wheat, 712 million bushels, expected 715. The cotton number was just exactly unchanged across the board. Old crop, in old crop and new crop, 4.4 million bales of cotton. They actually expected it to be 4.51, so that was a little bit friendly, but pretty much uneventful. Looking at the ending stocks for new crop 2015-16, cotton was 4.4 million bales. As expected, the corn number was 1.771 billion bushels. The anticipation was for 1.758, so the number a little higher than anticipated. Soybeans, 475 million bushels, expected 485, so a little bit of a friendlier number for there. Now wheat was 814, expected 791. Looking at production, the cotton production they pegged at 14.5 million bales. The number they were looking for in surveys was higher, 14.68. The corn number for production was 13.63. The average guess was 13.65. The soybean number came out at 3.85, and they were expecting 3.846. So those are the numbers that have come out. Looking at the reaction of the markets here, the cotton market, just before the number came out, the July was up 35 and the December was up 28. Right now, July is up 35 and December is up 39. Looking at soybeans, just before the report came out, the soybean market was down 3 in the July and the November. Right now, the soybean market is down 1.5 pennies in July and down 3 in the November. The corn market, just before this report came out, was down 3 in the July, down 3 3/4 in the December. July's down 3 right now. December's down 3.5. So no change. No change in the cotton, no change in the corn. The wheat was down 9 3/4 just before this report, and right now the wheat's down 9 3/4, so no change. So the only slight change has been in soybeans, a little bit of a friendly reaction to the report. So tomorrow morning we want to remind people that follow cotton that we'll be having at 7:30 our Ag Market Network Cotton Monthly Roundtable. For anyone interested in listening in to that over the teleconference, the information, I'll make sure it's on Facebook and Twitter so you can dial in to that. But around 8:15, we'll do our E3 report, and we'll talk about the breakdown on these numbers for production and for supply and demand. We have a little bit more time to do that. So that really concludes today. We hope you'll join us tomorrow morning at 7:30 for our cotton report. Also join us about 8:15 for the E3 weekly report that we do. Thanks.